Hello everybody, I'm back with another Misfits Market box, and I'm here with my daughter Hannah. Say hi, Hannah.
Hello.
So let's just dig right in. Well, that wasn't a success. There we go. A little bit backwards. Okay, I got my mushrooms. These I paid extra for. Looks like some button type mushrooms. And I think these other ones are like shiitakes. My avocados, I paid extra for those as well.
I like how they put the stuff that you pay extra for on top.
Yeah. A few little ice packs. We'll just set these over to the side. Okay, we got some bok choy.
Oh, that's stuff.
Yeah, it was stuck on a bell pepper. Cute little bok choy.
This is stuffed.
Yeah, they put a lot in this time. See some limes, onion, another onion, another onion.
They have odd coloring, all this stuff, like this, like right here. It's
Yeah.
green and orange and yellow.
Yeah, it probably wasn't quite ripe whenever they picked it.
It looks cool though.
Yeah.
Including this one.
It'd be tasty.
This one's orange and yellow.
Bell pepper. Another bell pepper.
There's a lot of bell peppers.
That's awesome because the last time that I got bell peppers, remember, like they only give us, remember that one little tiny bell pepper all
Oh
by
my god,
lonesome?
so sad. Like you couldn't make anything, like you couldn't bake anything in that either.
The apple.
You couldn't probably make a stuffed bell pepper though, that one.
Okay.
A lot of onions.
More onions. And this is just the small box too, so surprised
The
they...
onions are a bit weird this time around though. Their skins are peeling. Maybe
Yeah,
because
they'll
they're like
survive.
rubbing against other like stuff in here.
Yeah. Apples. I'm gonna move these apples.
You have a lot of apples this time around. You were complaining last time that you didn't want any fruit. You wanted all vegetables. You're like, what?
Pear. Well, that was because we still had some apples and pears, but now
Yeah.
we still have apples, but
You ate a lot of pears. You're like eating
Yeah.
those like
every day.
carrots.
Potato.
Don't have any potatoes. I don't see any. Like I don't know, like only two.
That's good. Cabbage. I think that's from those Napa cabbages.
Napa? That sounds like someone's name from an anime.
I kind of wonder if it is from the Napa Valley in California, but I have no idea.
I'm just thinking.
Another pear. These are some huge pears this time.
Oh, look, it's one of these. Oh, what's this fluffy stuff on it?
Fluffy stuff.
It's all black. Is that mold?
No, that's just from, it was like pressed up against something or like
Oh, like
dirt or
rubbed?
whatever.
Oh, that doesn't look like dirt. It there's like this fluffy bit right here.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, I can, like right there is like a little bit of mold. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut that off and then I'm gonna wash this really good and then freeze it.
Yeah.
Cause yeah, that's weird, but it's just on that one little spot. I think it'll be okay. I think this is celery root. No idea what it's for, how to eat it, nothing.
You probably look up some recipes. So
I thought it would go good in a stir fry. What do you think?
Move stir fry. I mean, we can't really have stir fry until probably like later in the week.
Oh, that's my trail mix. I paid extra for that too.
It was on the bottom.
It's on the bottom.
It's like everything else we wanted was on the top, but this one was on the bottom.
And some celery.
That's it.
And that's it. Okay, and I'll feed all those little scraps to the worms. Okay, so let's see what we have. Let's see, celery, some trail mix, lots of onions, celery root, limes, bell peppers, avocados, bok choy, 2 little red potatoes. Yeah, I don't know if I said mushrooms or not. 2 different kinds of mushrooms. Apples, which I'm not sure if that's 1 or 2 varieties. I forgot the name of that purple vegetable, but it's really good in stir fries, or chopped up in salads. Pears, cabbage, and cauliflower. So that's what we got this time. I hope all of you had a great weekend, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Talk to you later.